What's up? Dave Swift here. It's an exciting day for me because I have got a pre-release copy of Noah Kagan's book right here. I'm gonna crack this open and show you what's inside in a minute, but I wanna start off just by telling you a quick story about how Noah has affected my entrepreneurial career. Now, I don't know Noah personally, but I did get involved with buying things on his company, AppSumo, pretty early on. I think it was about 2010 or so. I bought my first product on AppSumo, and shortly after, Noah launched his very first course. At the time, I think it was called How to Make Your Very First Dollar or something along those lines. He's changed it since. The course is still available, but when I purchased it, it was over $600. That was a huge investment for me. At the time, I was teaching music lessons and barely making ends meet. Taking Noah's course taught me a system to figure out that the current path that I was already on was not really going to work for me long term. It caused me to completely change courses and do something totally different, which has made my life a whole lot happier. And best of all, I can still include music in my life. It's just not something that I'm relying on for every source of income in my life. Now I can support my family, have a big, beautiful home. And I guess in a weird way, I credit that back to the course I took with Noah, which actually taught me how to figure out how to fail. So I am very excited for his new book here, which is called $1 Million Weekend. Now I'm gonna talk about what I think the book is about. I obviously haven't read it yet. I'm just opening it up for the first time here. Let's check out the packaging. All right, so as always, Noah's team does a great job with their packaging. It says, this box contains everything you need to start a $1 million business in 48 hours, LFG. All right, and then there's a bunch of a green pen here and a bunch of crap for me to throw all over my office, and $1. I think this is hilarious. I don't know, maybe this is a reference to that very first course I took, How to Make Your First Dollar. I spent $600 on it, so I guess now I'm only down $5.99. Thank you very much for that, Noah. That's hilarious. All right, we've got some stickers here, it looks like. These are super cool. They'll go on something, maybe a laptop, I don't know. Just effing start, love it, very cool. We got, looks like a graduation certificate here. Congratulations. Now I have not graduated. I have to actually finish the course, or finish the book. And then I suppose I will have earned that. A nice handwritten note here from Noah, which I will read later. And here's the piece de resistance. Is that how you say it? I'm trying to sound cultured. Here we go. $1 Million Weekend. Slimer green. Love it. This will definitely jump off the bookshelf at you. Now I want to talk for a second about the title here, $1 Million Weekend, because I think a lot of the internet trolls will come out and say, $1 Million Weekend, such clickbait, what a scam, you can't make $1 million in a weekend. And just my experiences with Noah, he would admit that this is probably a little bit of clickbait, I believe, because you got to get people to open the book and read it. But I don't think he's going to tell you how to make $1 million in a weekend. What he's going to do is do what he did way back then in that course, which is help you figure out if your idea is worth pursuing or not. Or in my case, figure out that your idea sucks and you need to pivot and do something different altogether. And if you can figure that out in 48 hours, a weekend, versus spending months or even years, well, then that's definitely worth the price of the book. The book is available right now for pre-order, by the way. It comes out on January 30th. I'll have a link in the description for that. So go check it out right away. I think if you visit Noah's website, you will actually get some bonuses too. So I'll have a link over there as well. And then after the pre-order is done, so if you're seeing this video in a couple weeks, you just go right to Amazon and grab it. So I can't wait to read this. I'm actually headed out to Austin like in a few minutes after recording this video. So I'm pumped to have received this. I will be bringing it on the plane to check it out and see if it's autographed. No autograph, so maybe I can find Noah in Austin, get him to sign it for me. Well, if I do, I will definitely document it. That's gonna do it for this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.